Children have always been an important part of this world as they light the shine to the future. It is my pleasure to invite my dear friend Thenuka to address the gathering regarding this topic. Thank you.
Greetings, everybody. Hope you all had a great morning. Greetings to all invited guests, members of the press, teachers, and my dear friends. It is indeed a great morning to discuss the impact of children on our country, our planet, and our earth. Yes, indeed, as Asanda said, children light the shine to our future. They are the future of our motherland, not only of our country, but of the world. And it is our responsibility to make sure that children have always been given a great education and great memories to share with everybody and to have happy memories so they can reflect to once they're old enough to give their own children a happy experience. Happy memories create happy adults. Sad memories create broken adults. And partially, this can also be relevant to our education system, not only because of private events or maybe household issues, but it is indeed that schools, preschools, from a very young age should encourage children to not only have great social relationships as well as great education, but involve them in other activities that they can relax their mind onto. Maybe extracurricular sports or even debating, general knowledge, speaking, photography, aviation, or even a movie club. It is important that children balance out their life to create minimal stress within the children. As I said, if happy memories are given to our children, we can expect happy adults and a great social life in their future. As many neurologists say, a broken early life creates a broken adult man. It is important that we encourage our children to have a happy life, in their early life, to focus on as their adults, and hopefully they can share these happy experiences with their own children. There's a Sinhala saying that however the child learns in the young age and when they grow up and become parents, that's the same way they're going to treat their child. And don't we want to see a great grandkid era? So the children of this planet are hopefully, with my hopes, are going to make this country, our motherland, a better place. Whether it could be in education, the tourism sector, the hospitality sector, or even the entertainment sector that these children put their minds into, hopefully contribute to the economy and the strategic growth of our own motherland. And hopefully we'll be happy enough to see a very good social life and also a very good educational life and also a very good position in sports and hopefully even an Olympic gold medal in the future. But it is important that we have events like these to commemorate the future of our children, to commemorate the future of our education, the country, to give them the best memory possible, as said before. And I would like to also express my deepest thanks to Mr. Anil Prasang of the AN Entertainment team for giving these school kids, these preschool kids especially, the chance to shine on a platform like this, to showcase their talents and build happy memories for their future. And I would like to close off with a saying by Mahatma Gandhi, create the world where you want to be and create a world where you can live in. And with that, I would like to thank all of you for attending and participating to make this event and commemorate it as a successful one. Thank you once again to all of you all attending.